Hello, everybody.
Hi.
We're in Solvang.
I love this place and it's so cute. It's a Danish town and it's really cool.
Wait, can I get that? That's the mulled wine.
We are at the Sort This Out Cellars here in Solvang. Just got a glass of mulled wine, spice mulled wine, and we're going into the high roller tiki lounge. And the kids are loud, so
Let's go check it out.
let's go check it out. Oh. Hi everyone. We're in the tiki lounge. This is so fun. This is so awesome.
Yeah.
You guys excited about this?
We're watching
You guys excited inside?
I'm special too. I'm still living and I'm...
Are you guys excited at home? You get to come with us. You get to be in the tiki lounge with us. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe and never miss another minute of the fun. And of course, we offer detailed destination guides and travel tips over at our blog, HotMamaTravel.com, to make your next family adventure hot.